Tiny cooking videos are absolutely taking over YouTube Shorts right now. These miniature kitchen clips are pulling in millions of views, allowing even brand new creators to scale an audience fast. Let's break down the complete process to build these highly satisfying loops completely from scratch using AI. First, head to the description below and grab our master prompt designed to generate ultra-realistic miniature culinary environments. Copy the entire block, jump directly into Google Flow and toggle the interface over to video mode. Pick your preferred vertical ratio, switch your model over to the Omniflash engine, and set the video duration slider to 10 seconds. Once your configuration is locked, paste the text layout straight into the prompt box. Scroll up to the designated food item section and swap it out for whatever dish you want to create. For this run, I'm typing in pancake. Hit generate, give the engine a couple of minutes to calculate the environment physics, and your first clip is ready. The real power of this workflow is how easily you can scale it for daily uploads. To build your next asset, keep your exact same environmental settings, paste the master prompt again, and simply swap pancake out for pizza. Within a few moments, the model builds a completely unique addition to your timeline. You can use this method to generate endless variations across trending food topics, sequence them on your timeline, and export them in high-quality vertical HD. Drop a like if this cooking workflow helped you out, hit that subscribe button, and turn on notifications so you never miss our direct AI creation guides. See you next time.